Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Here at Guaranty RV today, we're going to take a look at a beautiful Newmar. My name is Ashley.Lundy, and if you have any questions about this Newmar, please don't hesitate to give me a call or stop on by. This particular one is a 2021 Newmar Baystar Sport. It is a 3226 floor plan. This one has custom ordered exterior paint colors. We like to mix it up a little bit here at Guaranty, so this is not something that you're going to find everywhere you go if you like the looks of this one on the outside. We also have, of course, side cameras to go with your rear view camera. This one is optioned with navigation as well, so you got some nice setup up front here. We also went ahead and ordered the frameless double pane windows and a rear ladder and your slide toppers to protect your slide outs. So this one is very nicely optioned. And now we are going to go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, so coming into this Baystar Sport, here you can immediately see something brand new for 2021 is this optional folding front cockpit table. It extends out to make a nice table when your chairs are turned around and say you're watching TV, but it's also a great place to put your drinks when you're driving down the road. This is where we have that navigation I mentioned, as well as your radio screen. So you're not just sharing one screen, you can see where you're going and what you're listening to at the same time. And a really rare option on this one is our front drop-down bunk. You don't see this too often on Newmars, so I was really excited to see it on this one. And further back, you're going to see we have a brand new sofa. This one will turn into a bed. We got some new furniture options here for Newmar in 2021. Further coming back, you'll see this one has the table and freestanding chairs. Table does extend and 2 more chairs can fit a total of 4 people. And of course this one has a great kitchen. You're actually going to have some ample counter space between your stove and your double basin sink, as well as a full-size microwave and an oven. So you're really equipped in the kitchen here. And you even have 3 pantries. I absolutely love this kitchen. You're also going to have a good-sized bathroom in this one and a king-size bed. And this is a full king-size bed like you'd have in your house. This is not a shortened RV king. And then a lot of closet space and a really large back window. So this one is a really bright, beautiful model. And as you come back to the front here, again, we're passing through our kitchen. We even optioned this one out very nicely with an ice maker in the fridge. And 2 inverters are in this one dedicated just for the bedroom. Really beautiful unit. Thank you so much for watching our quick tour here of this Newmar Baystar Sport 3226. Again, my name is Ashley.Lundy here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. You are more than welcome to stop on in and ask for me or call or text me anytime with questions. My direct number is 541-337-2387, and thank you so much for watching.